have with us Rubina and Roshni, who are seen on TV as Soumya and Surbhi and Shakti Astitv Ke Ehsaas. Can you tell us about your characters?
I'll talk about Soumya. Soumya is this very gentle, innocent, so to say, a girl who has never seen the outer world, and how with so much of tenderness she is, she's been nurtured and brought up by her mother. And she only interacts with her mother, and in the family only loved and supported by her mother, and of course Surbhi. Oh yes, baby, I just mentioned Surbhi. So yes, the beauty about this character is that when you haven't interacted with the outer world, how innocent and how with no judgment would you see things around, and how would you react and interpret things, is going to be very, very enticing. And that's my promise to you, that it is going to be enterprising and entertaining.
And Surbhi, who is totally opposite to Soumya. Surbhi is like every other girl. She's very full of confidence. She knows what to do and how to do it. She is totally clear about her vision of life, and she's like very much ladly type of girl for for her father and grandmother, and for mother उसे थोड़ा सा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. For सोमूदी, वो उसकी दुनिया है, वो कुछ भी करेगी सोमूदी के लिए. एंड सुरभि का एक ये भी है फंडा कि वो जो भी सीख कर आती, क्योंकि उसे ही सिर्फ इतनी इंडिपेंडेंस दी गई है कि वो बाहर जा सकती है, लोगों से मिल सकती है, कुछ भी कर सकती है वो. तो वो जो भी सीख कर आती है बाहर से, वो आकर वो सौम्या को सिखाती है. उसका ये मोटो रहता है कि बाहर से सीख कर आओ और इसे आकर सिखाओ, वो चाहे अच्छी चीज़ें हों चाहे बुरी चीज़ें हों.
बुरी चीज़ें ज़्यादा.
और रियली बेबी, अच्छा आँख मारना, सीटी बजाना, लड़के छेड़ना कहाँ बुरी चीज़ें हैं? ये
बिल्कुल भी बुरी चीज़ें नहीं है. मतलब हिटलिस्ट में है ये तो.
ये सब वो चीज़ें आकर सौम्या को सिखाती है, और सौम्या वो अपने तरीके से करती है. तो सुरभि का ये एक प्लस पॉइंट है. और सुरभि का सेकंड प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि गलत के खिलाफ वो खड़ी होगी, फिर वो चाहे किसी के साथ भी हो रहा हो, वो गलत नहीं सह सकती. दिस इज सुरभि.
So Rubina, how is coming back to TV after 2 years?
Yes, of course, the experience is very, very different. I mean, every show brings, its own set of experiences, and different people, different sets, and a different environment. Yes, it is. I would say it would be an understatement if I say I'm very happy coming back to the show, because these 2 years I have seen how. I have realized, I would say, I have realized how important it is and was for me to always do what I'm doing right now. And yes, this gap of 2 years made me realize it, that this is eventually my passion, and this is what I really, really love about, and I am really determined to do it. And given a chance with a show like Shakti, with a brilliant channel like Colors, and with an excellent production house as Rashmi Sharma Telefilms, it becomes all the more, the experience becomes all the more elating. So yeah,
I'm blessed that I'm working with such very nice team, and every day is a new day to learn something new. So on set, whether it's on set or whether it's off set, I'm always learning something. Always learning something. So yes, it's amazing experience. It's an amazing.
How well do you both bond with each other?
well, the bond is growing stronger and stronger with each passing day, and with the experience that we share together. Because she has, acknowledged and accepted the fact that she is growing and learning. So once, if you determine to do that, then it becomes easier for you to embrace people around. And that's a very beautiful quality about her, that, she never hesitates to learn. And that's what is definitely going to help her in long term. And for me, I'm a very strong believer of taking everybody along in the journey. For me, the teamwork is the most important, and that's how I embrace everybody, that everybody has to walk along along together, and if it is a success, it is a success for each one of us, from the technicians to the cast and the crew. We have shot only a few scenes, rather 2 episodes with him. So far, so good, and yes, we are enjoying.
For me, I must say that as Rubina also and Vivian also, they both are very supportive. They both are very bad also. They
We bully her. We make sure that she knows she knows that, you know, she's being ragged, and we somehow love to flaunt that, we have done.
एक्चुअली इन शॉर्ट जो रिलेशनशिप हमारा ऑन स्क्रीन है उससे थोड़ा सा अपोजिट कर दो. मतलब सुरभि इसमें मतलब सुरभि वो है ना ज़्यादा शक्ति में सौम्या के, कि सुरभि को सब पता है एंड ऑल. यहाँ अपोजिट है. यहाँ रुबीना रोशनी को सब बता रही होती है, ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करो, ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ऐसे करो.
इतना भी नैग नहीं करती हूँ मैं तो.
नहीं बट मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है बुरी खबर फैलाने में?
नो इट्स नॉट बुरी खबर, बट नहीं, मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब ये मुझे करेक्ट करती है या मुझे कुछ नया बताती है या मुझे कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
How was the experience working with Vivian?
He's very happy, and he's the first thing that he said was, Rubina, mark my words, it is going to be a turning point for you. And yes, when such a thing comes from the very close, it means a lot. And
she's blushing.
yes, I've been missing him. Yeah.
Lastly, a message for your fans.
It is a beautiful and a long association with the India Forums, and I should and I must admit that I have always been to your page, watching how people react and their interpretations towards any scene, character, and I have always followed it. And India Forums, I think, is the first one which came, getting up the entire audience from all across the globe and their opinions about shows and characters, and that has been really very helpful in a way, and yes, entertaining for us. Off the screen we go and just read, oh, this is how people conceive, oh, this is what has been said, nice comments, oh, not that good comments, but yes, we've really been enjoying it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And for me, it's whole soul new relation with India Forum, and I hope that audience को हमारा काम और हम पसंद आए. So please do watch Shakti on Colors,
8 p.m. Monday to Friday.
Athar Lobo, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Roshni Sahota. You're watching me on India Forum, and
Please subscribe the YouTube channel. Signing off with Rubina Dalek.